Hey, it's the Opal Source here. I was requested on how to take good pictures and videos of opals, and that's what I'm going to show you how to do today. So to take good pictures and videos of opals, I think the most important thing to have is a good lens. So here I have a Zenvo wide angle lens attached to a macro lens. So it just comes off and then attaches back on. Got it for cheap online, about $20, and it has a little clip on the back. So I have an iPhone 10 here, nothing special, and it just gets clipped on like this to your camera, and then you're good to go. So I think the next most important thing to have is a light box. So this light box has an LED strip in the front and another one in the back. And I think the temperature of the light does matter, so you want a temperature closer to the sun, which is about 4 or 5K. I also have a open hood up here so you can take pictures from up top and then you can take pictures from up front. So my setup consists of just a microfiber cloth, a piece of styrofoam that I cut, and then a center stage to put my stuff on. So you can move this stuff backwards and forward depending on how you want the light to hit your opal. Then you can also add stuff to bring it higher to the light and then take stuff away to bring it lower down. So to demonstrate how to take pictures of your opals, I'll be using a black Australian opal. So what I have here is a piece of styrofoam just cut in half, nothing crazy, and then I'll use that as a base for my opal to sit on when I take my pictures. So I think it's good to use a spacer sometimes to lift this opal from the back and then have it slanted towards the light, but that's up to you. You can take pictures from up top as well. Just lift up this hood and then you can take pictures from up top, but I prefer to take pictures from the front. So I'll center my opal. You could throw anything as a spacer. I just have the top of a lid just to throw as a spacer. And then now you'll have the light hitting a little bit better and getting those nice colors. So another little trick that I like to do is check out how the opal looks under certain lighting. So sometimes I'll take off the front LED strip and see how the opal looks in the back lighting by itself, or I'll do vice versa. So for this picture, I will keep the front one on because I know the front one usually makes the picture look more professional. And I'll bring my opal up a little because I think the light hits it a little bit better. This opal specifically, since it's a black opal, when it's pulled up a little. So I have my lens on my phone and I'll go to photo mode, and then I will drop the brightness a little just because the LED strip is a little bright, and then I'll take my picture. And then I'll pick up my phone a little just to see if the picture looks better from up top, and I'll take my picture. So now that I showed you how to take pictures of your opals, I'm going to demonstrate how to take videos of your opals. So sometimes I like to use black gloves or beige gloves, depending on the type of opal you want to take a video of. Whether it's a white opal, a black opal, a crystal opal, depending the colors that the opal has on it, and then the pattern. So just to demonstrate, I'm just going to use my hands, which is sometimes okay to use as well. So you're just going to want to experiment with that. So I don't use the lens when I take my videos. I just use my phone. I think it has a good enough video to capture the opal without the lens, but you use the lens if you want to try it out. So I also use a phone stand that I just created myself, of course, a DIY. There's another piece of styrofoam that I just cut a hole off the top and then I cut a hole in the back of it just so my phone can slide in there. So I'll slide my phone in there just like that. Or you could just buy a phone stand for cheap, probably on Amazon. So I have my phone stand here. And as I said before, you like to see how the LED strip works with your videos. So in my opinion, it's better to have the back LED light on and the front one off, because it balances out the light from the video on my phone that I'm going to turn on right now with the LED strip. So I'm going to put my video into 4K mode and then 60 frames per minute. I think it captures a better video that way. So I'm going to pick up my Opal, and then I'm going to drop the brightness on my phone a little bit just to balance out the brightness from the LED strip. And then I'm going to start the video, and then you're just going to twirl your Opal around, show off its beautiful colors and the patterns that it has. Show off the back a little, or the bottom. And then that's it. And you have yourself a professional video of an Opal. So that was my quick tutorial on how to take professional pictures and videos of your Opals. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below. If you'd like to visit my website, you can visit it at theopalsource.com. Take care now. Bye.